Survival gear is an essential part of an emergency situation that demands emergency preparedness. Walmart offers a wide range of products to choose from, but it can be challenging to determine which items are of high quality and worth the investment. So here in this video, we've rounded up 10 best survival gear from Walmart that doesn't suck. Enjoy! Starting with the ACL IM8 Combar Folda XE Pro Elite, a compact and versatile survival multi-tool, designed for outdoor enthusiasts and emergency preparedness. Its unique and unbreakable design boasts a body made of premium glass-enforced polymer and an over-molded head, ensuring the strongest and safest connection between the handle and the tool head. The textured ergonomic handle offers an exceptional grip, making it possible to handle the hatchet or hammer with precision and power, regardless of the task at hand. The hatchet blade is compact, made of hardened razor-sharp stainless steel, and capable of chopping campfire starters and trimming small branches with ease. The innovative and patented design allows the blade to fold into the handle for safe and convenient storage, making the ACL IM8 Combar Folda XE Pro Elite a must-have for any outdoor adventure or emergency situation. Gerber Downwind is a fixed-blade knife designed specifically for survival situations and hunting. It combines traditional styling with modern materials to provide a top-notch survival experience. The drop point blade is made of 7CR17 MOV stainless steel, ensuring durability and strength for even the toughest tasks. Meanwhile, its handle is constructed from grippy layered G10 material, making it efficient to use even when wet. The knife comes with a waxed canvas sheet, allowing for easy storage and carrying on any outdoor adventure or emergency preparedness kit. With a weight of just 4.59 ounces, the Gerber Downwind is a lightweight and reliable option for any survival situation. Zippo Emergency Fire Kit is a compact and essential tool for survival to serve your need for fire. The kit includes a Zippo flint spark wheel and 5 lightweight paraffin wax-coated spark tenders, making it easy to start a fire in any weather condition. Its lightweight paraffin wax-coated spark tenders ignite with a spark or flame, providing a long-lasting fire for you to cook your meal and warm yourself. Furthermore, it's got a rugged ABS plastic construction and ergonomic design with textured grip, which makes this fire kit not only durable, but also easy to use, even in wet conditions. Speaking of that, this fire kit floats in water, and the O-ring seal and molded lanyard hull keeps the flint wheel ignition and tender dry, so you can always count on it to start a fire when you need it most. Weighing just a little over an ounce, this compact fire starter kit is a must-have in any emergency preparedness kit or outdoor adventure. Hyper Whistle is more than just an ordinary whistle. It is a life-saving tool designed for emergency survival situations. With an impressive 142 decibel sound output, it can be heard from a distance of more than 2 miles, making it an ideal tool for signaling for help. That's 8 times the range of a standard sports whistle. This whistle is constructed from antimicrobial composite material, making it all-weather ready and able to withstand the toughest conditions. The tri-frequency design is what sets this whistle apart, as it combines 3 highly rated whistles into one compact unit. Not only is it loud, but it is also convenient to carry. The whistle comes with reusable hearing protectors, and the easy clip neck lanyard allows you to wear it around your neck for quick access. The Hyper Whistle is also naturally buoyant, which means that it will float in water, making it an essential tool for survival. Here's the Boost Oxygen Natural, a lifesaver in emergency situations where access to oxygen might be limited. This pocket-sized canister provides 61-second inhalations of pure all-natural oxygen, making it an essential tool for life-threatening emergencies. Whether you're a survivalist or just someone who wants to be prepared, the Boost Oxygen Natural is the perfect addition to your bug-out bag. With its lightweight design and convenient size, you can carry it with you wherever you go and be ready for any situation. This portable oxygen supply is a non-prescription form of supplemental oxygen, providing respiratory support in situations where you need it the most. So whether you're dealing with a suffocating situation or simply need a quick boost, the Boost Oxygen Natural has got you covered. Nitecore Nu25 UL is the ultralight headlamp that's always ready for an adventure. Designed with survival in mind, this headlamp packs a punch with its 400 lumen maximum brightness. Gone are the days of heavy and cumbersome headlamps weighing you down. The Nu25 is a game changer with its innovative paracord headband allowing you to carry a bright light source with ease and comfort. Whether you're setting up camp in the great outdoors or navigating through a dark cave, the Nu25 has got you covered. With its triple output versatility including a combined spotlight and floodlight mode, a spotlight mode, and dual auxiliary red LEDs, it's the perfect tool for any survival situation. Go Time Gear Life Tent is a life-saving tool for any outdoor adventurer or survivalist. And for a good reason. Its compact design at just 8.7 ounces makes it an easy addition to any backpack or car survival kit. The tent is made of tear and puncture-resistant PET mylar that can withstand wind, rain, and snow, while the interior reflects 90% of your body heat, ensuring you stay warm and dry in any emergency. Setting up the tent is a breeze, and it can be secured between trees or used as a sleeping bag, blanket, bivy bag, or bivy sack if no trees are available. To make it even more useful in an emergency situation, the Life Tent also comes with a 120 decibel whistle and 20 feet of paracord. MyMedic MyFac, a comprehensive and versatile emergency medical kit designed for survival in any situation. With its durable construction and clever design features, the MyFac is the ideal first aid kit for those who want to be prepared for any emergency. The clamshell design allows for easy access to all of the supplies, while the removable mesh pockets provide additional storage for essential items. Additionally, the front mole panel makes it easy to add any additional items you may need. And the two back straps ensure that the MyFac can be secured in your car or on your bike. The tearaway back panel allows for quick removal in emergency situations, and the shoulder strap and grab handle make it easy to carry the MyFac with you on the go. Next, this 511 Rush 24 is a bug-out backpack that is designed for the most challenging outdoor adventures and survival situations. It boasts a military-inspired design with the signature center line, making it a versatile and durable choice for survivalists. The backpack features a front lower pocket with internal slip and zippered pockets and an admin organizer to store all your essentials. Additionally, there are dual top zippered pockets and external front and side web mold, making it easy to access your supplies. Furthermore, it has a hidden CCW compartment and a rear hydration compartment to help keep you hydrated. The backpack is made from high-strength water-repellent 1000D nylon and has a contoured yoke shoulder strap system and web mold to make it comfortable to wear. Lastly, this Weatherman Signal is a must-have tool for outdoor enthusiasts, campers, and survivalists. With its hammer feature, you can easily anchor tent stakes and secure your shelter in any weather condition. Its 19 tools include pliers, wire cutters, a saw, and a can opener, making it perfect for repairing gear and hardware in the field. The scratch-resistant DLC diamond-like coating adds durability and longevity to the tool, ensuring it will last for years to come. Its handle is made of stainless steel with a Karakoke finish, while the blade is made from 420HC stainless steel and has a DLC coating for added protection. So that was our list of 10 best survival gear from Walmart that doesn't suck. Thanks for watching. Feel free to reveal your thoughts in the comments section, and please share this video if you find it helpful. And to know more about outdoor products, reviews, and buying guides, you can visit our website, mailoutdoorzone.com.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.